Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you want to see how I prepared this delicious fried rice, stay tuned. I want to say a big thanks to my old and my new subscribers. You guys, hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video guys, I'm going to be preparing with you my fried rice. Okay guys, here is the few ingredients that I will be using. Let me introduce you all to it. Here is my turkey already been sliced and washed. Here is my pepper already been washed, and here is my carrots already been washed, and here is my gizzard and my green beans that I'll be using. Okay guys, so this is the ingredients. Let's process. Okay, stay tuned guys, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you all for always supporting my channel. May God bless you all guys. Stay tuned. Introduction of my ingredients. I forget to introduce my onions. Then I'm going to be cutting it now. Okay guys. Finish cutting the onions now. Okay guys, the next thing to do now is to bring out my pots. Then I will be putting all the ingredients that I will be boiling. Okay, let's go. Here's my empty pot. Okay, the next thing guys is to be putting my maggi. This one is vegetable maggi. Okay, guys, then I'm going to be introducing my curry to it. You know, this is fried rice, and all we need is the curry, okay, to make the rice change in the color. And also like when my meat is changed in the color also. You can put as much as you like. Now I'm going to be introducing my turmeric. I cannot do without turmeric guys. Okay, as it is now guys, you can start boiling your meat without putting water at a moment, but mine is blocked. I just bring it out from the freezer and I decide to cut it. Then I'll be adding water. Okay guys, then I will be covering it. I'll be putting it on my gas. Okay, the next thing I will be adding is my gizzard. Okay, I'll be adding it inside also. Then it's done to be put in the gas. Okay guys, here is it on my gas. I'm going to be adding a little salt because the maggi I added before contains salt also, so I will not want to have it too salty. Okay guys, let's take a look at our mix. Wow, the gizzard, I'm going to be separating the gizzard right now because I'm going to be slicing it also. Okay guys, Okay, I'm going to be repeating the exact process to cut my carrots. Okay, guys. Still on it, guys. Like this is very easy to cut. Trying to arrange them, and I start. Amore, chiudi la porta che sta entrando il moscone. Okay guys, I just finished cutting some carrots now. The next thing I'll be doing is to be cutting my pepper. Okay guys. Okay guys, I just finished slicing my green pepper now, and I'm going to be transferring it into this place. Okay guys. Guys, I'm going to be slicing my gizzard. Into smaller pieces. It's nice to start frying my carrots. As you can see now guys, my carrot is still frying. Okay guys, I'm just going to be taking out my carrots. Okay. We're covering it to allow it to dawn. Okay guys, here's my rice, and I have my empty fry pan on the gas, and here are my all vegetables, carrots, beans, everything. These that have been fried here. All I need to do now is to put a little of it in my fry pan.